Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Faizaran Shafina from 1CBIA English Education Department of the Islamic State University of Imam Bonjol Padang 2025. My student ID number is 25140500043. Now I will explain about the one of my favorite film, namely Coco. It tells the story of a boy named Miguel, who has a deep passion for music, even though his family strictly forbids it. The reason is that, long ago, Miguel's great-grandmother Imelda and her daughter were abandoned by her husband, who left to pursue a career in the music. Since the death, Imelda banned music in the family and turned to the shoemaking business to provide for them. Despite his family hatred toward the music, Miguel still idolized a famous musician named Ernesto de la Cruz. One day, during the Day of the Dead celebration, Miguel accidentally sees a photo of his late great-grandmother Imelda with a man holding a guitar that looked just like Ernesto's. Miguel then concludes that Ernesto must be his great-grandfather. He immediately goes to Ernesto's tomb to take his guitar. As soon as Miguel strums Ernesto's guitar, he is suddenly transported to the land of the dead. There, Miguel meets many spirits, including his deceased family member. The only way for Miguel to return to the world of the living is to receive a blessing from one of his ancestors. When Miguel asks Imelda for her blessing, she agrees, but only on the condition that he must never play music again. Miguel refuses to accept that condition and decides to run away to find Ernesto instead, believing that Ernesto is his true ancestor who would bless him to play music. While searching for Ernesto, Miguel meets Hector, and they agree to help each other. Hector will help Miguel to find Ernesto and return home, and in return, Miguel will help Hector by placing his photo on the ofrenda or altar so that Hector can visit his daughter in the living world. However, Miguel later discovers that Ernesto is not his great-grandfather. In fact, Ernesto had poisoned Hector to steal his song and guitar, which made Ernesto famous. It is finally revealed that Hector is actually Miguel's real great-grandfather. In the end, Miguel managed to return to the living world and Hector's photo is placed on the family altar, allowing Hector's spirit to visit his family again during the Day of the Dead. The reason I like movie Coco is because it is such heartwarming film. It tells a story about family and the dreams we must fight for. The best scene in my opinion is when Miguel sings Remember Me to Mama Coco. What I learned from Coco is that nothing is more important than family. And from Ernesto, I learned that anything we gain or achieve through bad or dishonest means will end badly as well. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.